Hello there. This is English teacher Linda G with some English phrases for delivering effective presentations. Presenting clearly and engagingly is vital. So let's learn how to deliver impactful presentations. You'll want to follow these steps. One, have a strong opening. For example, good morning, everyone. Today, I'll discuss the latest developments in our marketing strategy and share insights on how we can improve our outreach. And you'll also need a clear structure. Here's an example. And finally, we'll discuss the next steps for our team. Now, you'll also want to engage with your audience. For example, you could say, before we move on to the next section, does anyone have any questions or thoughts or about what we've discussed so far? And of course, it's always a great idea to summarize key points. This is usually towards the end of your presentation. For example, to conclude or in conclusion, the main points we've covered today are the importance of monitoring our performance, the new strategies in place, and our action plan moving forward. Now, here's another example for a project update, and I want you to listen to the common phrases. We'll start by saying, good morning. I'll update you on the progress of our current project, including our achievements and the remaining tasks. Now, of course, if it's the afternoon, you would say good afternoon, not good morning. First, let's talk about the tasks that we've completed over the past month. Next, we'll review the upcoming deadlines and any potential challenges that we foresee. Now, before we dive into the next section, does anyone have any questions? Does anyone have any comments at all on what we've discussed so far? And you could always end the presentation with something like, well, we're on track with our project timelines, and that's a great thing. The next steps are to meet next week to review our progress and to finalize the project by the end of the month. Have a great afternoon, everyone. Have a great day, everyone. See you at our next meeting. That could be a way to end the meeting, the presentation. Now, practice these techniques to improve your presentations. And remember, confidence comes with practice. So keep refining your skills. And of course, you'll deliver impactful presentations every time. And if you'd like to practice your skills with me as your teacher, go to my website at www.speakenglishwithconfidencenow.com. Take care.